Okay, so today we're gonna learn rational expression. Rational expression is like when on denominator place, you see the variable, we call it rational expression. Okay? So rational expression, the first thing you need to do, because denominator cannot be zero. That's a big rule for math, right? So if you see any variable on denominator, then denominator not zero, you need to apply. So in this case, x here, right? This is zero, then x cannot be zero, right? So x not zero, you need to write it with the parentheses, that's as a condition. You need to write that first. After that, now you can simplify, because they're asking simplify. Got it? When you simplify, because all multiplication there, then number first. 3 and 6, divisible by 3, right? Then numerator is 1, denominator is 2, right? Divide by 3. And x 7 times multiply, x 4 times multiply right there, right? Then when you say base, then exponent division, 7 minus 4, which is 3. So this is the answer is x cubed over 2 is the final answer with condition this. You need to add it here. Everybody got it? So all the time, you see the variable in denominator, then denominator not zero, you need to write it there first. Everybody clear? Okay, so you see it like that, then you cannot tell which, what makes this one zero, right? That means that's you need to factor it, right? And then 6x squares minus 5x minus 4. Do you remember how we factor this? So when this is the reading coefficient not 1, then we make 1, right? So multiply the 6 to constant here. So this one become x squares minus 5x. 6 times negative 4, negative 24, right there, right? And then xx and 24, factor of the 24, 1 and 24. We need 5, difference is 5, right? Difference is negative 5. So this is a 23. And 2, 12, difference 10. How about 3? 8, yeah, difference 5, right? So we need to pick this. 3 and 8. And this is negative 5, then this should be negative. We go on negative, and then this is positive. Then, when you multiply this, that becomes negative 24. When you add it, that's negative 5. So, we can factor it, x plus 3, x minus 8. But don't forget, we multiply here, at the very beginning, the constant we multiply, then we divide by constant, by that number, which is a 6 right there. 6 right there. Got it? So, that becomes x, this is 1/2, and this is what? X divided by 2, 4 over 3, right? Everybody got it? But this is a 6, so denominator is a fraction, then get rid of that fraction, which means this is a denominator 2, then multiply 2, but only not here, but you need to multiply here and here. So this becomes 2x. This is 1, plus 1. So that means this denominator now, 2x plus 1 there. And here, multiply 3, because denominator is 3 there, then 3x minus 4. Everybody got it up here? And numerator, same thing. Let's do one more. Just one more. Then 6x squares, 7x plus 2. First step, multiply this 6, 2. So x squares plus 7x plus 12, right? X here, factor of the 12, which is 1 and 12, 2 and 6. The sum should be 7. This is 8. But 3 and 4, that's good. Sum is 7, right? Then 3 and 4 here. Most of them plus because adding plus 7. Got it? So this one, so I can factor x plus 3, x plus 4. Because I multiply 6 here, I divide by 6 this two number here. Right? So that becomes now what? X plus 1/2, x 2/3. Get rid of this fraction, so this becomes 2x plus 1. This is what? Multiply 3 because denominator 3, 3x plus 2. Everybody got it up here? But before you do anything else, denominator cannot be 0, which is, in this case, this 2x plus 1. Let's plus equals 0, not equal 0, right? But still same. Minus 1 both sides. So 2x equals minus 1. So x equals, divide by 2, minus 1/2, not minus 1/2. Same way, move 4 the other side, 4, divide by 3. So, this is condition, right? You need to write the condition. And now what? Oh, exact same like this, right? So final answer is 3x plus 2, 3x minus 4. Nothing you can do it. Oh, 3x, I can simplify. No way. 3x minus 4, anything you need to see exactly like that, then you can simplify. Otherwise, nothing you can do. This is the answer. Everybody got it? So, first factor numerator and denominator, and denominator amount not 0, then we solve condition. We put the condition there. And then if you can simplify, because it's the same, right? 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1, you can simplify. But other than exactly the same, you cannot do anything fraction. So this is the answer. Everybody clear? So one more, last one. So, when numerator you see the 2 term only, but that's not descending order, which means this is a bigger degree, and then this is first degree, right? Then you need to write it descending order, minus x squared plus 2x. I write this one first, minus x squared, nothing means plus 2x. I changed this one to like that. Everybody clear? And then only 2 terms, then you cannot factor it that way, but all the time when there's a term, they share anything, only 2 terms, they share x, they have a common x, right? Then take it out, but when this is a bigger degree is negative, then negative x out is better. Negative x out, negative out, among x squares, 1x out, then 1x left here, right? You need to be careful, this is plus, then that's minus right there, then this should be minus. Because minus times minus should be plus. Okay, this is not plus 2. And then x out, 2. Should be x minus 2. Everybody clear? This one is very important, sign, because of that many you guys are wrong. And denominator, I can factor it, but I can factor it this way for now. So 2, 1, this is negative. So if we factor it this one, 2x plus 1, x minus 2. But the way you did, I taught you, we did practice this too, right? You can factor it that way, okay? I did it in a faster way. Now what? Before you do anything else, x equals not what? From here, negative 1/2. From here, x equals not 2. You need to write, this is part of answer. Everybody clear? Now what? Oh, this is same thing, I can cancel this out. Minus x, 2x plus 1, nothing you can do. This is answer. Everybody got it? Okay.